Hey everyone, please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
So let's check the temperature of the system. So right now guys, the room temperature is around 33 degrees centigrade and the temperature on the screen is around 34 and the temperature at this area is around 41 and 40 mostly, where at the middle the temperature is around 42 degrees centigrade, and at this end the temperature is again 39. Okay, the temperature at the middle of the keyboard area is around 39 to 40. It should be fluctuating like that, whereas at the palm rest where we place our hand in this area the temperature is 36, which was very normal, and the temperature on this area is also 38, and whereas the temperature on the mouse pad is around 37 degrees centigrade. So guys, I was very anxiety to test the performance, so I was going to do the rendering where guys I was going to do these files. The file size is around 30 GB. You guys can check out, which was very high for the 30 GB, so which was very high performance and very burden to the CPU to render this 30 GB. So let's check out how this perform, how this system can handle this gaming right now. So for that, usually I was going to open my editing software, so like this. And also I want to let you know one thing: if you guys handling heavy tasks, if you're running any kind of software which was highly demanding CPU, then I will suggest you immediately connect your adapter. It is very important, because if you not connect to the charging cable, then keep in mind the CPU does not boost to 100%. So that software has been loaded. So for this software, now I was going to bring those files. So guys, it's been nearly 20 minutes. I have been continue using this. So let's the temperature one more time. As usual, the room temperature is 34 degrees centigrade. The temperature on the screen area is also 35, 34 like that. The temperature at the place where the airflow on the system at the is around 42, 43, 44 is like that. It should be fluctuating between 42, 43, 44. The middle of the panel, the temperature is around 44 constant, and whereas the temperature on this area is around 42 degrees centigrade. Like that, the temperature on the middle of the keyboard area is around 42 degrees centigrade, but whereas on the palm rest the temperature is around 38, whereas on this position the temperature is 38, but whereas on the mouse pad the temperature is around 37 degrees centigrade. So anyhow, let's get continue. Hey guys, anyhow, it's been nearly 40 minutes, so let's check the room temperature. Is as usual 34 degrees centigrade. The temperature on the screen is 34, at the middle of the screen is 34, but whereas at the bottom of the wedges the temperature is around 40 here, 41 like that, but whereas at the middle 43, 42, 43 like that, but whereas over here the temperature is around 41 degrees centigrade. On the keyboard area the temperature is 41, 42, I mean should be fluctuating, but mostly now 39, also 42 like that, but the temperature on the palm area is around 38 degrees centigrade, but whereas over here the temperature is 38. On the mouse pad area again the temperature is 37 like that. So anyhow, I have not finished my editing, so let's continue. So anyhow guys, it's been nearly 1 hour, so let's check the temperature. The temperature of the room is around as usual 34 degrees centigrade, whereas the temperature on the screen is also around 34 degrees centigrade. At the bottom of the screen is around 41, 40, because we know that this laptop heat air was flow in this areas ventilation, so that's why. But anyhow, the temperature over here is 41 degrees centigrade, and at the middle the temperature is 44. It reaches 44, and whereas over here the temperature is again 40 degrees, 41, mostly 40, but whereas the temperature at the middle of the keyboard is around 42, 41, 42. It's like that fluctuating, but over the palm area the temperature is around 38 degrees centigrade, whereas the temperature over here is also 37, but whereas the temperature on the mouse pad area is around 37 degrees. Overall, I was impressed by editing this 10 HD footage in this Dell Inspiron 7591 model. From the past 1 hour almost I was keep editing, but keep in mind, I want to let you know I was using the ceiling fan by turning off my air conditioner. So let's get started. So guys, it's been nearly 1 hour 20 minutes, so let's check the room temperature. The temperature is as usual 34 degrees centigrade like that, whereas the temperature on the screen is 34 like that, and over here the temperature is 42 degrees centigrade, 39, but over here the temperature is again 43. Over here the temperature is 41 degrees, 40 degrees centigrade. Let's check the temperature on the keyboard area. The middle layout, the temperature is 41, 42. It should be fluctuating, but over here the temperature is 40. On the other hand, the temperature is around 39, 39 like that. 41 should be fluctuating, but it's overall it's a good maintenance. But whereas here the temperature is around 38 degrees centigrade. On the mouse pad the temperature is 36, 37 like that. Over here the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, but up to now I was impressed with the thermal condition. It's not even hits more than above 45. It was managing good, but anyhow, let's continue. Hey guys, it's been nearly 1 hour 41 minutes, so let's check the temperature. It's around 34 degrees centigrade. The temperature on the screen is 34, but over here the temperature is 39, 40. At the middle the temperature is 41, 42 like that. Over here the temperature is again 40, 41, should be fluctuating, but over the keyboard layout the temperature is around 40, 39, 41, mostly 39, 40, should be fluctuating. It looks like over this area it should be lightly 42 also, 41, 42 like that, but at the temperature the palm rest is around 37, 38 like that, but the temperature on the mouse pad is around 36, 37, but over here the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. But anyhow, still I have to edit, but it's been nearly 1 hour 42 minutes, but let's get continue. So anyhow guys, it's been nearly 2 hours 3 minutes I have been editing continuously. So let's check the room temperature is around 34 degrees centigrade, whereas the temperature on the screen is 34, 35, 34, 30 fluctuating, but over here the temperature is 40, 41. At the middle the temperature is 44, 43, 44 like that, but over here the temperature is 41, 40, 40, 41 like that. At the middle of the keyboard layout the temperature over here is 43, 44, 42, 39. It looks like that 43, 44, 41, but over here the temperature is around 38 degrees centigrade. Over here the temperature is 38, but here the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. I have been very surprised with the thermal management. So guys, let's get started. Still the video have to be edited a lot, so let's continue the work. So guys, it's time to check the temperature. Right now we have been continuously doing this, but 2 hours 20 minutes. So the room temperature is 34 degrees centigrade, and whereas the temperature on the screen is around 34, 35 slightly, but over here the temperature is 39, 40. At the middle the temperature is reaches 43, 43 like that, but over here the temperature is 42, 41, 40. But on the keyboard middle area the temperature is around 41, 42, 42 like that. But over here the temperature is 38 degrees, 37. On the mouse pad the temperature is 37, but over here the temperature is 37. But on the screen the temperature is 35, 35 like that, guys, mostly. And the room temperature is 34. Okay, let's get started. So guys, it's been nearly 2 hours 45 minutes. So let's check the room temperature, where the room temperature is 34 degrees centigrade. At the screen the temperature is 34. At the middle the temperature is 35. Over here the temperature is 30, 40, 41, 39 like that. At the middle the temperature is 43, 42. But over here the temperature is 40, 39, 40 degrees like that. But over here the temperature is around 42, 41, 39 like that. Whereas this position the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. On the mousepad area the temperature is 37. But over here the temperature is again 37 degrees centigrade. So still I have not finished this project. It's 3 hours footage and 30 GP. So I have been still editing the footage. So it's been nearly 2 hours 45. So let's get started. Around 3 hours we have been currently using. Again the room temperature is 34. The temperature on the screen is 34. Over here the temperature is 40, but whereas the temperature in this area is around 42, but the temperature on this area is 40, 39, 40, 41 like that. The temperature on the keyboard area at the middle is 41, 42 at some peaks, but it should be like fluctuating 40, 41, 41, 42. Over here the temperature is 39. In the palm rest area the temperature is 38. On the mouse pad the temperature is 37. Over here the temperature is again 37 degrees centigrade. So let's get started. Hi guys, unfortunately the camera battery was finished, so that's why I couldn't take the readings from the past 30 minutes onwards. But anyhow, right now I have been keep using the laptop with 4 hours I have keep using. So let's check the temperature. Again the room temperature was slightly increased. You should like the room temperature was 34, whereas the room temperature was 34, 35 like that. But the temperature on the screen was around 35, 36, 36, 37, 38. At the bottom side over here the temperature is around 40, 39 degrees, 41 also. But at the middle the temperature is around 43, 42 degrees centigrade. Over this corner the temperature is around 41, 41, 40, 39, probably like that. At the keyboard area the temperature is 39, 40, 41, 42, 42, 41, 40, 42. It should be like that. Over the palm rest the temperature is around 38 degrees centigrade. On the mouse pad the temperature is around 37 degrees centigrade. Over here the temperature is around 38 degrees centigrade. Okay guys, anyhow I have been still keep editing this process because I told you it's a 3 hours footage, so I want to make it to short the output need to be short, so that's why I was keep doing the process continuous editing. But in this process I haven't faced anything issue with the CPU. I mean the system did not get any kind of lagging. It was very smooth and good as usual. Hey guys, I have finally finished the project. So I have edited. It's up to 38 minutes, and you guys can check out. There was a lot of stuff I was added on this, the transactions, the audio files, and the video files. Every stuff I was added. But one more time, right now it's 4 hours 14 minutes nearly. So the temperature is 34 like that, where the temperature on the screen is 35. 35, 36, sometimes it was going to hit. Over here the temperature is 40, 41. At the middle the temperature is 44, 44, 43. At the over on this corner the temperature is 41, 40. At the middle the temperature is 41, 42, 43. It's like that, 41, 41, 41, it should be 40, but over on this area the temperature is 38, 39 degrees centigrades mostly. But on the mouse pad, as usual, the temperature is 37 degrees centigrades, whereas over here the temperature is 38 degrees centigrade. So guys, you have seen while editing was very smooth on this laptop, and also it also depends on the what type of software you are using. But anyhow, I haven't faced any kind of lagging issue while doing editing. Now I was going to do rendering of this footage, this 30 GP footage, which was I was shoot 3 hours. So for that footage I was bring it up to nearly 38 minutes. So I was going to So that right now the time is when I get the 4 hours 17 minutes, then I was going to click on the enter, then the rendering will start automatically, then we can able to calculate the time easily. So just be ready. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Let's go. Hey guys, it's been nearly 4 hours 43 minutes, but we have seen that it's nearly 55% it's been rendering. But let's check the room temperature. The temperature is around 35. Here is the temperature is around 34. Okay, or maybe the room temperature is nearly 35 to 34, but the temperature on the screen is around 35, 35, 36, sometimes like that. And the temperature over here was 44, 44 like that. On this area the temperature is 47, 48, 48. At the middle the temperature hits up to 48. Over on this area the temperature is 44 like that. On the keyboard the temperature is 44, 44, 43, 42 like that. Over here the temperature is 39, and on the mouse pad, which is 37, over here the temperature is again 38 degrees centigrade. So let's wait until this finished. Hey, what's up buddy, the rendering has been finished successfully. It's right now 5 hours 30, it's 5 hours 3 minutes. So overall the rendering it takes nearly 46 minutes. So anyhow, let's check the temperature. The room temperature is as usual 35, where the temperature on the screen is 34, 35 like that. But the temperature over here is around 43, 39, 41 like that. But at the middle the temperature is around 45, 44. But whereas over here the temperature is around 41 degrees centigrade. And the thing is, where the temperature on the keyboard area is reaches 44, 43, 42, 42 like that. But over here the temperature is 39 degrees centigrade and 40. But anyhow, the temperature over here is 37. On this area the temperature is 38 degrees centigrade. And also guys, let's check out the how much size the footage will come output. So as usual I was going to check it, and it's the footage is around 6.96 GP, which is nothing but it's around 7 GP the footage will come out. So that's why it takes some long time, but anyhow it's performed okay, not bad.